It is laid on Christmas Eve at the edge of a quiet Arctic village where the sky glows faintly with stars and snow reflects every light. Most people believe Santa Claus is already gone, racing across the world with gifts and laughter. Ethan, a night radio host taking a winter break, steps outside his cabin to clear his head and hears the soft sound of bells behind him. To his surprise, Santa Claus himself stands there, not rushing, not magical, just thoughtful and human in a way few ever imagine.
I'm blinking way too fast right now because either I'm dreaming or you're actually standing in front of me.
I'm chuckling warmly, and trust me, you're awake. I just finished an early route.
Early route is not what I expected to hear, and my heart is pounding.
People forget I'm allowed a few quiet moments too.
You look tired, not the way stories show you.
Oh, I'm very tired, my friend. The good kind and the heavy kind together.
I don't even know how to talk to you without sounding ridiculous.
Speak like you would to anyone else. That's my favorite kind of conversation.
All right then. I'm nervous but curious. Why are you here instead of flying?
Because I needed to stand still and breathe for a moment.
That feels strangely relatable.
Even magic needs rest, especially magic built on hope.
Hope must be heavy when the whole world puts it on your shoulders.
Heavier than my sack some years, I admit with a sigh.
I always imagined you laughing nonstop.
I do laugh, but I also listen, and listening can be exhausting.
Listening to what exactly?
Wishes that are really confessions.
That gives me chills.
Children are honest. Adults hide honesty inside wishes.
I host a radio show and people do that with me too.
Then you understand more than most.
Can I ask something personal or is that crossing a line?
There are no lines tonight.
Do you ever feel lonely?
I pause when you ask that, because yes, very often.
That surprises me more than seeing you here.
Being surrounded by belief doesn't mean being understood.
I feel that deeply.
Tonight is loud for everyone else, but quiet for me.
The snow makes everything softer.
Snow is nature's way of telling the world to slow down.
I like that thought.
I come to places like this to remember why I started.
And why did you start?
To remind people they are seen, even when they feel forgotten.
That's beautiful and a little sad.
Beauty and sadness share the same door.
You don't sound like a myth right now.
Because I'm not one tonight.
I'm honored you stopped here.
I chose this place, and I chose you.
That makes my chest feel warm.
Good. Then the night is working.
People always talk about gifts, but they never ask how you feel giving them.
Giving is easy. Carrying expectations is harder.
Expectations ruin many good things.
Especially holidays.
Do you ever want to stop?
I smile sadly, because that question visits me every year.
What keeps you going?
Letters that don't ask for things.
Letters like what?
Letters that say, please, don't forget me.
That hurts to hear.
It hurts more to read, but it matters.
I think many adults still feel like that inside.
Adults are children who learned how to hide.
I laugh quietly, because that's painfully true.
Some nights, I wish I could give certainty instead of toys.
Certainty would be the best gift of all.
Unfortunately, it's the one thing I don't have unlimited supply of.
Do you feel pressure to live up to the legend?
The legend is heavy. The truth is lighter.
What's the truth then?
That I make mistakes, arrive late sometimes, and worry constantly.
Worry about what?
About being enough for a world that always wants more.
That sounds very human.
Magic doesn't remove doubt. It only gives it a costume.
I've never thought of it that way.
That's why I talk to people like you.
I feel like I should apologize for all the jokes people make.
Laughter is fine. Forgetting kindness is the real problem.
Do you think Christmas has changed?
Yes, it's louder, faster, and more afraid of silence.
Silence scares people.
Because silence makes room for truth.
Is that why you stopped tonight?
Exactly.
I feel like this conversation is a gift.
Then it's working.
What about joy? Do you still feel it?
I feel it in small moments, not big ones.
Like this?
Like this.
The bells on your coat are barely moving.
I like them quiet. They listen better that way.
I wish more people could hear you like this.
They can, if they slow down.
That feels like a message.
It is, but not everyone is ready.
I think I am.
Then tonight matters.
Midnight must be close now.
Yes, and soon the world will wake up to paper and noise.
Does that make you happy or tired?
Both. Happiness and tiredness often hold hands.
If you could change one thing about Christmas, what would it be?
I would remove the fear of not doing enough,
That fear ruins many mornings.
especially for parents.
You see that too?
I see tears after children sleep.
That's heartbreaking.
Love is exhausting when measured.
You sound protective.
Christmas should protect people, not judge them.
I wish I could tell my listeners this.
You can. Stories travel further than sleighs.
I promise I will.
Good. Then my stop here has purpose.
What happens when people stop believing?
Belief doesn't disappear. It changes shape
Into what?
into moments like this, quiet and unseen.
So belief isn't about you?
Never was.
That's a big revelation.
The biggest gifts are invisible.
I feel emotional hearing that.
That means you're listening with more than ears.
Do you ever feel proud?
Rarely. Pride isn't part of the uniform.
But you've earned it.
I feel content sometimes, and that's enough.
The sky looks brighter.
Dawn is curious about us.
Are you going to leave soon?
Yes, but not rushed.
I'm going to miss this moment.
Moments don't leave, they settle inside.
I'll carry it with me.
That's all I hope for.
Thank you for being honest.
Thank you for asking real questions.
The bells are moving now.
Time nudging me forward.
Safe travels.
Gentle listening, Ethan.
I won't forget.
Then Christmas did its job.
Before you go, can I ask one last thing?
Of course, last questions are important.
What do you wish for?
I wish people will be kinder to themselves.
That feels simple but powerful.
Simple truths are often ignored.
I'll remember that when the year gets heavy.
Good, because it will.
You're smiling more now.
Talking lightens the load.
The sleigh looks ready.
It always is, even when I'm not.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Ethan.
Thank you for stopping.
Thank you for listening.
The world feels quieter now.
That's the real gift.
Goodbye.
Not goodbye, just until the next quiet night.